What is up guys, you're watching Gator RC and today we're going to speedrun this UDIRC 1610S. There's lots of space on this beach here. This beach is for cars, so the ground is very nice and hard, very freshly packed. So I'm either going to stop when I get to full speed or I break the car. I will be using these Spectrum 2200 mAh 3S batteries. And I set up the controller and the ESC to all have 100% power, so the car should hit its top speed. And finally, the speedometer that I am going to be using is the SkyRC GSM020. I have it in this plastic case so I don't destroy it, but overall this is a great speedometer. I have a full video about it. It has an awesome app, so many cool features, and I have to say I really like it. In the app here, I'm going to hit track and start. Let's put the phone away and let's see how fast this car can go. Okay, it is definitely going to go very fast. Let's get a nice long run up. Jesus! Oh my... It is so fast. That was against the wind. Okay, let's bring it back with the wind this time. Okay, it is very fast. It is very, very fast. It likes to spin around though. It's kind of hard to keep it in a straight line. It is a ripper. Look at that thing go. For the size of it, I think it is kind of overkill. That was a good one. That was full pin, nearly the whole way down. Let's bring it back around and see what we got. Okay, back in the app, let's hit end and read 80 kilometers an hour. Oh my God, 80 on this sandy beach. That is just insane. 80 kilometers an hour for a little car like this is absolutely nuts. I don't even think that most of the bigger 10 scale cars will match this. It is just an absolute bullet when it's going down on the straight. Maybe a little bit overkill as well. I saw the tires ballooning quite a bit, but it was still pretty controlled. I mean, I could keep it straight, maybe not very easily, but it did go straight. And yeah, if you have a large enough space, you will hit that 80 kilometers an hour. This is a pretty bumpy place as well. I'm sure on concrete would be, oh God. Doggy attacking. Look at him go. He really wants to catch the car. Okay, let's bring him back to the owners. They're kind of stressing out over there. Whoa! Dog speedrun. As I said, absolutely nuts this car is. Really not many 10 scale cars will even beat it. Oh my God, the dog again. In my next video, I'm going to take a few different bashers and compare them. I think that could be pretty interesting. Link to it will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.